In an ancient village in southern China, there is a story. Two families, the Jiangs in the east and the Lis in the west, had been peaceful neighbors for generations. But one year, the Jiang family renovated their house, and on the eaves of their roof, they unintentionally added a sharp decoration, like the horn of a beast, pointing directly at the master bedroom of the Li family. Strangely, from that point on, the master of the Li household fell chronically ill, and the family was plagued by constant arguments. This continued until a wandering Feng Shui master passed through. He looked at the Jiang's roof, then at the Li's closed windows, and said just one thing: "Your family is being shot by an invisible poison arrow every single day." This poison arrow, in the study of Feng Shui, is the Sha Qi we have repeatedly mentioned, especially the most common type, sharp Corner Sha. Imagine a harmonious energy field is like a calm lake surface. A sharp object, like the corner of a building, a dead tree branch, or even the top of a signal tower, acts like a stone being thrown over and over again. It continuously, without interruption, emits a disharmonious, aggressive energy ripple in your direction. Living under this kind of energetic attack for a long time, our bodies and minds, much like the lake surface, constantly disturbed by stones, find it difficult to return to true peace and harmony. This can naturally lead to health problems and emotional agitation. The Feng Shui master left not just a warning, but also the wisdom to cure it. These are 3 methods you can use today to protect your home's energy field. Secret number 1. Blocking is the most direct defense. If your window directly faces a sharp corner, the simplest and most effective method is to draw a thick, opaque curtain, out of sight, out of Sha's might, when you can't see it. Its psychological and energetic impact on you is minimized. Secret number 2. Soften with the energy of wood. On your windowsill, place a row of tall, lush, broad-leafed green plants. Plants are the vibrant wood element. They can act as gentle guardians, forming an energetic buffer zone, effectively absorbing and softening the sharp energy from the outside. Secret number 3. Reflect with a mirror. In our episode on the Bagua mirror, we learned that it can reflect Sha Qi. But you must remember, this method must be used with extreme caution. The prerequisite is that the mirror does not reflect into your neighbor's home. The story of the village had a warm ending. The Li family planted a row of bamboo on their windowsill, as the master advised, and the Jiang family, after learning of the situation, proactively smoothed the sharp corners of their eaves. Soon after, the master of the Li household recovered, and the 2 families returned to their harmonious relationship. The highest wisdom of Feng Shui is not about mutual confrontation, but about co-creating harmony. Go and check outside your windows. See if there are any invisible enemies hidden there. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will enter the world of annual Feng Shui guides. Thank you for watching.